All right, let's take a little break for the news. Integrity. Honesty. Insight. Experience. Principle. KROS News with Aye Cheetum. Here's Aye.
Hello, I'm Aye Cheetum with KROS News. Parrots at a UK zoo ruffled quite a few feathers today when they started swearing at visitors. The Lincolnshire Wildlife Park said that 5 African grey parrots were removed from public display for cursing at customers. The parrots had arrived at the zoo only recently. Zoo authorities housed them together along with several other bird species. After a very short period of time, they started throwing obscenities at each other and at visitors when the birds were put on public display. Park officials say they are not yet sure which bird taught the others to swear during their time together. It just went ballistic. They were all swearing. Park Chief Executive Steve Nichols said, "We were a little concerned about the children." Zoo authorities had hoped that putting the birds on display would help them kick their bad habit. Instead, visitors laughing at their foul language only encouraged them further. Concerns about children being exposed to the foul language prompted zoo authorities to separate the affected birds and remove them from public view until the instigator can be identified.
This has been KROS News with Aye Cheetum.